In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Cash App on Android. By the end, you'll know exactly how to find the official app safely, install it, and open it without any confusion. First, a quick note on availability. Cash App is officially supported mainly in the United States and the United Kingdom. If you're outside those regions, you might not see it in the Google Play Store, or it may say it's not available for your device. If that happens, don't worry. Nothing is wrong with your phone. It just means the app isn't currently offered in your location. Now let's get started with the recommended and safest way to download it, the Google Play Store. On your Android phone, open the Google Play Store. This is the trusted marketplace for Android apps, and using it helps protect you from fake or unsafe downloads. At the top, tap the search bar and type Cash App. Take a moment to look carefully at the search results. You want the official app by Block Inc. That developer name is important because there are lookalike apps that try to imitate the real one. The official listing will clearly show Block Inc. as the publisher, along with a recognizable green icon and a large number of downloads and reviews, which is another good sign you're in the right place. Once you've found the official listing, tap it to open the app page. Tap Install. The download will begin right away. Depending on your connection, this may take a moment. A Wi-Fi connection is usually faster and more reliable, and it can help you avoid using mobile data. If your phone asks for permissions during the installation, that's normal. Just review them and continue. When the installation finishes, the button will change to Open. Go ahead and tap Open, and Cash App will launch. A quick but very important safety reminder: never download Cash App from random websites, never install APK files you found online, and avoid anything calling itself Cash App Plus Plus or similar. Those are not official, and they can be fake, insecure, or even contain malware. Sticking with the Google Play Store and the official developer name, Block Inc., is the best way to protect your device and your information. That's it. You've now downloaded Cash App on your Android the right way. From here, you can sign in or set up your account if you're in a supported region. If you found this helpful, make sure to follow along for more straightforward guides just like this.